In this lecture, we will cover chars. Although they originate from the ASCII table, chars are more than that in Rust programming. There are letters and symbols from many languages, from Chinese to Korean, from Turkish to Japanese, and also emojis are available. Therefore, char takes up 4 bytes of memory. It is defined by writing one character in single quotes. You can define it with a colon, but when you type single quotes, the Rust compiler automatically assigns the type char. The point to be noted here is that we must use single quotes. Rust has a strict rule about this, although in other languages this is not a problem. When double quotes are used, the string types that we will process in the future are defined, so be careful to use single quotes when defining char. Let's define char variables together. When I type without specifying the type, the Rust analyzer automatically assigns the char type because I use it single quotes. Let's add an emoji. As I said, if you want, you can define the type as char by putting a colon. I add first Rust unofficial mascot. You can find it by typing crap. Okay, let's print our variables with the println macro. Well, would you like to check the UTF code equivalent of the char according to the values in the table? In the next video, I'll show you the use of the as operator, that is the typecasting operator with other variable types.